Sorry, everyone. It's because my phone just does that. Look at that. All that rain is hit. All that rain. That's how much rain is pouring right now. Look at that. You can barely see the second rainbow over there. No way, guys. I'm sorry if everything's not that good right now. Because I'm trying to hurry this over now. I've been here for a little bit now. I never seen this before. Like it rained when there's balloon, like all out over there is just blueness, and yet raining still. Hold on. I'm gonna be quiet right now so I don't get them attracted to this. Alright, sorry for the cut. Sorry for this, guys. I'm just trying to keep it so that no one knows this. I'm recording. Alright, so, I'm basically just going to check the mail right now. Yes, I know. It sounds like this, but, like, yeah. I can't show you guys the address I have. I can't show you guys anything, so I'm just gonna keep the phone there. See, everyone? It's raining a lot. That's weird. Okay, let me make sure. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I've never seen this before. Oh, sorry guys, I did not mean to make that zoomed. Alright. So, never seen. Oh my god. Okay, right now, I'm gonna be quiet. Alright, look at this. Look. I'm not even kidding with you guys. Like, look at this. No, nothing, no editing to this. This is my first, couple videos. Dang, I don't think you guys can see. I'm trying to be careful, guys, I know. Look at this. Look at that, you see that? It's raining here for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, guys, look at this. It's like raining coming from. Sorry, guys, because I cannot work with the lighting. It's because it's not really going well right now. So I think this is all I'm gonna do right now. But I just have to record this, guys. Because when am I ever gonna get this chance ever again? Because look at this. It's raining. Okay, guys. You hear that rumbling? That's from the cloud above us. See that? They're coming from that specific cloud. I never seen this before. Like, look at this. It's raining. There's no editing, guys. Like nothing. Like nothing. This is just basic. No unedited, just all of this. But it's crazy that we get this happen to us. But I think that's all I'm gonna do today, guys. Cause look at that. See that? All that cloud. Like it's windy right now. Not like too windy, but like no, not very windy. But look at this. And I'm not kidding you. Look, you can see the floor right now. It's raining. Alright. You hear all that rumbling? That's from the cloud bubble right now. Sorry if I have to repeat this multiple times, guys, because I just want you to understand that this is not edited. This is not edited. There's no editing to this. No sound effects, nothing. This is just basic right now. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want me to do more of this, then yeah, maybe I will. But this is insane. Like, I never seen this happen to us before. Alright, I'm gonna go now, guys. Yeah, look at that. Only blueness over there. This is all a cloud. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go now. Bye bye. See you next time.